Hi, Andrew. Your machine is finished. Now I record the testing video. Now this is the power cable. Power cable to connect with the power supply. We make it to 110 voltage and 60 hertz. Is their power supply requirement. And this is the air in argon gas to connect with the argon gas. This is the full switch control the pedal. Later I will show you. And this is water in to put the water in the machine, and in the cooling system. Water out, the water will when you replace the water, you use that let the water out. Now I open the machine. Just turn right, turn the button, and it will be on. Wait about a minute, and this is the CCD display, and this is the microscope. I tried. Okay. Yeah, this is the microscope. And 一会儿你帮我一下。就1分钟。Now I test. This is the pedal. Press the pedal, and the laser will be out. Now test with small parts. Okay. Thank you.